I chose zoology because I've always had a deep love of animals, and I wanted to study more about the world of animals, and how to improve the life of wildlife. It's absolutely fantastic to see Chloe graduating today. She's put a lot of time and effort into her studies, and the conclusion's been well worth it. She's done extremely well. Congratulations, Chloe. Andy helped me feel included and felt equal with other students so that I could sort of really concentrate on my studies. I'd like to say a huge congratulations to all the graduates from the University of Cumbria today, and also to thank the lecturers from the Zoology department for being so supportive of both myself and Chloe, and also Laura from the Disability Services, who's been just so supportive throughout the past 3-4 years. Thank you so much. Well done, everybody.